Hi, y'all. Just doing a real quick video on some quick dinner ideas. So what I have here, and I've already started making plates, and you'll see those. But this is some pork, and I basically season it with, my three ingredients: my garlic, paprika, and my onion powder. And then for the vegetables, because I like to do four things. I like to do a meat, starch, vegetable, and a bean. So my meat, I have some pork, and then I just seasoned it. But you can season however you want to. Remember, these are just ideas of what you can make for dinner. And then for the vegetable, I have some, what is this? Beets and some cauliflower mixed with it. And then on the right hand side here, I have some black beans. And I went ahead and put some seasoning in it too. You can season however you want to, but that's what we have for the vegetable. And then for the starch, we have some brown rice here. So let me show it to you plated. Okay, so here's the plate right here. Here's the black beans. There's the beets with the cauliflower. My mom got macaroni, and the reason why is because she doesn't like rice. But I'll show you my mom's plate. And the leftover, because she's not going to eat all the macaroni, so I gave them some too. And then, there we go. There we got some rice, and then we topped it with pork. So there we go. You can see some of the other plates. This one's my mom's plate here. So it just works out good. Here's my brother's plate. He eats a little more. There we go. So these are just some quick ideas of what you can be able to make for dinner. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and definitely God bless.